Hey guys, it's Anthony from Neogen TV. Today I'm going to show you how to import sounds into FL Studio 9, so check it out. Okay guys, first you need to have Winrar installed. If you do not have Winrar, go to the link in my link description and it will bring you to this page, cnet.com. Click on download now and download Winrar and install it. Then you need to go to another link in my link description to producertools.blogspot. Scroll down, they have free drum kits here. I'm gonna choose a Polo the Don drum kit. Click here to download. Scroll down, free download. Then you should see this. Click on free download. Then it should download to wherever your browser downloads. I'll cancel it because I already have the file. I recommend you downloading it to your desktop so you can easily find it. What you need to do is right click, extract here. And you see a new folder. What you need to do is open it up. And you see 3 kits in here. Now you need to go to start, computer, find your OS drive, program files, image line, FL Studio 9 or whatever version of FL Studio you're using, date, patches, packs. Then I will minimize this, and you need to drag and drop it into the file, and then go to your FL Studio 9, packs, and you see right here HSS Polo the Don, and that's how you import sounds into FL Studio 9. You could just delete this, just put it in your recycle bin, and it's finished. Thanks for watching the video. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Comment if you have any more problems below and I'll answer you back. So once again, please thumbs up the video, comment if you have any problems, and subscribe for weekly updates. Peace.